guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denley and today I'm going to be unboxing this Wi-Fi router. A D-Link Wi-Fi router. So let's start. So it says SIM card plan not included, Wi-Fi hotspot, and then it hosts up to 32 devices, SIM card slot, and it has improved coverage. It's also got some stuff in the box. You can see all that. Okay, so let's open up. So first we've got the router. Let me do this one. First we've got the router. We've got these nice antennas. You can see them. Back here we have the Ethernet ports, with the 4 Ethernet ports, the power, then the power button. We'll call it that. And then back here, just open this. You have the SIM card slot for the SIM card. Yeah, you have got the SIM card slot right here. Okay. Then you've also got the lights that are up, that are in front here, right here, to show you the signal. Now in the next video we'll be doing a review, connecting it, setting it up, and then on the third video about it, I'm going to compare it to the router that we are currently using. So then there's the cable. I think I removed the instructions and all the other things that were in the box. Yeah, so we're done with the box. Maybe if you need these. So then this is your cable. This is your cable for the router. You plug it in. So yeah, your router needs power. It's not like a router that you charge, but it needs power. Just plug it in right here. So once you put it into power, you have to make sure that the switch is also on. Then you plug it into power. So it's a nice cable. Doesn't have any trouble getting into sockets because of these pins up here. Then it's got a power supply. Then the output is 12.0 volts. The output, yeah. Anyway, that's what the cable is. That's what the cable is like. So and then it other things it has Ethernet ports. It has external antennas to improve the Wi-Fi and 4G light reception, and then the internet failover protection for uninterrupted connection. So it has a SIM card slot and then one internet port. The internet port is this blue port right here. Then it's also got its logo D-Link right here. So yeah, it's a nice gadget. So then, of course, the screws, if you'd like to open it, they're at the bottom here under the flaps. And also opening it, do it at your own risk. My channel is not liable for any harm caused to your devices. So yeah, that's basically it, except for some work made in China, 12 volts, power input. Basically that stuff. So this is a simple router. It's easy with it, but then I will be making a comparison with it and then the router that we have right now that we're using. But thank you for watching this unboxing. I'll tell you, would I recommend you this? Now that I'll tell you in the comparison video whether I recommend this to you or the router I use. Not told you the name because that one you'll use it, you'll read, you'll listen to it for the comparison. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.